Hello, sir. So again, very good afternoon. Uh, I'm very sorry, everyone. My internet was completely out. Like I had to borrow internet to start this class. So again, am I audible, everyone? You guys can see me, hear me clearly, everyone. Just a very quick yes on. Just a very quick yes on, everyone. Am I audible? Am I audible, everybody? You guys can see me, hear me clearly. The class has started now, and we lost 10 minutes. So again, I'll extend. I have to extend the class by 10 minutes. Okay. So, chalo. With that being said, thank you. Video is blur. Okay, 1 second. I'm correcting that. Yeah. I'll correct that. Just let me refresh it once. It should not be blur. Now it should be fine. Okay. Yeah. So I'm again. There is no electricity over here. That's the big problem. Yeah, now it should be fine. You see, now it's fine, everyone. 100% fine, sir, ever. Like now, I can see my second screen is also running. Absolutely fine. Yeah, everyone, please confirm this. Please confirm this once. Now it's fine. My second screen is at least absolutely fine, sir. Right? Everything is fine. Chalo, perfect. Acha, let us start with the session, sir. So this is time and work. We will start from time and work. This will be part one, sir. Again, time and work is a big chapter. We cannot complete this in one go. We cannot complete this in one go. So this is going to be first part of this. Okay. And again, as we started 10 minutes late, so I'll extend the class by 10 minutes. Okay. Just a quick disclaimer. Acha. For the newer students, if you want to join the Telegram group, this is the link you can scan, and this will be part of your class notes as well. So you can scan then and there as well. So it's not like you have to scan it now only. Acha. Sir, first things first. For the newer students, as today is the start of the 5.0 batch, let me just say one simple thing to everyone. Everybody, please understand this particular class, or this particular batch. What we do mostly, try to kind of uh, solve most questions, the most number of questions that are possible within the class. But again, like everybody from the previous batches requested me this. I'm sure you guys will also request. So every particular chapter when I start, I generally give you a little bit of little bit of introduction of the chapter. A little bit, not a huge amount, but again 10-15 minutes we spend on discussing the particular concept. Then we move to the this solution. Okay. Chalo, sir. So, with that being said, let's start. Let us start. Sir. At a time and work, sir, you get two types of concepts from here. Okay. Sir, what are those? First is your efficiency based basis. Many of you kind of are familiar with this with the name LCM type basis. And so there is another type of question which they ask, that is MDH type, or also known as the total work type, sir. It is total work based basis. Okay. So both are equally important for you to know and equally important for you to be able to solve. Okay. Now, with that being said, sir, we will again, most number of times the questions will be from efficiency based. So I'll discuss that one first. We'll start from there. Achha. Sir, a very basic thing. I need three volunteers. Who will volunteer? Tell me, everyone. Jaldi. I need three volunteers from you guys. Three, only three. So three for first three comments I'll take. Kavin, Apurvo, Kavin, Nani. Okay, chalo. Again, all the others I'll take your the next time. Apurvo, Kavin, and Nani. There are three persons who are going to do this. Now let's say Apurvo can complete a work in 20 days. Kavin can complete the work, let's say, in 30 days. And Nani can complete the work, let's say, in 25 days. Now, please understand, everyone. Very simple thing. So time and efficiency, they are inversely proportional. This is proportional to 1 by efficiency, or efficiency is proportional to 1 by time. For example, think now, if efficiency means what? The rate at which you can do the work. Now, if you can do it faster, you will take less time, right? Faster itself means that thing. Sir, if I can do it faster, I can complete the total work in less amount of time, sir. So my time requirement will be less if my efficiency is up, like efficiency go up, sir. So that means what I can say from this particular relation, if you go a little deeper, sir, my ER, efficiency ratio, will be equal to 1 by time ratio, meaning inverse of the time ratio, or vice versa. You can write time ratio for me will be 1 by efficiency ratio, sir. Everyone clear this much? Sir, efficiency and time, they are inversely proportional to one another. So the best way that I feel is to go, because this will help us in understanding the MDH, the total work based concepts as well. So this is what, sir, if I take a ratio here, can I write this is your time ratio, sir? This is my time ratio, because days the units are. So this ratio comes out to be 5 fours are this, 5 6 are this, 5 fives are this. So this is my TR, time ratio. From there, we will always try to find the ER, efficiency ratio. Efficiency ratio will be the inverse ratio of this. Inverse ratio, we all know. Inverse ratio, if you don't know, the best way to find inverse ratio is to, for 4, multiply the other two. So 5 6 are 30. For 6, multiply the other two. 5 4s are 20. For 5, multiply the other two, that is 6 4s are 24. This is inverse ratio. I can cancel a little bit more. So 15 is to 10 is to 12. That is your efficiency ratio. I can simply say it means A can do, or like Apurvo can do 15 units of work every day. Kavin can do 10 units of work every day. And Nani can do 12 units of work every day. Now the question is, what is total work, sir? These are common always. Total work will be what, sir? Sir, either you can go by Apurvo or by Kavin or by Nani. It will always give you the same answer. How? Sir, Apurvo, if I go with, Apurvo can do 15 units of work every day. And he is taking how many days to complete the total work? Sir, 20 days. So this is 300 units, which is what? Which is your total work. Now, if I ask you a question, if all three of them work together, or Kavin and Nani work together, they can complete the work in how many days? Sir, you will see total work is 300 units. Who will now do this, sir? Sir, Kavin and Nani, they can complete 10 units and 12 units, meaning 22 units every day. So they will take how many days? Sir, total work by efficiencies. So if you calculate this, you will get 150 over 11 days. Again, whatever is the answer. Is this clear, everyone? The basic concept is clear. You see, like many people take the LCM based approach. But again, what I am doing here, I am giving you the approach which is very basic, like the time ratio and like efficiency ratio, they are inverse. That is the basic of this chapter. So we are trying to go by that, using that. Anyone having doubts, please feel free to ask. Anybody having doubts, please feel free to ask. Clear, everyone, sir? Clear, everyone? 100% clear, sir? A quick yes or no before we move on. Anyone having any doubts whatsoever, just ask away. Just ask away, sir. Don't think twice. Perfect. Yes, Nani, I'll explain. Prashant, I'll explain. Yes, total work. Yeah, I'm going there. Sir, efficiency ratio is 1 by time ratio. So the basic is, you see, so time ratio was 465. So efficiency ratio will be 1 by 4, 1 by 6, and 1 by 5. But again, rather than doing this, so what you do now, you multiply with the LCMs. So this is said 6 2s are 12, 5s are 60. Say if you multiply 60, say you multiply, that was the rule. But again, rather than doing all this, you see, if you do this now, 1 by 4 into 60, it is 15. 1 by 6 into 60, it is 10. 1 by 5 into 60 is 12. Can you see? We got the same answer, but again, we got it a little faster. What I'm saying, whenever you are writing 4, you multiply the other two. 5 into 6, 30. Whenever you are writing instead of 6, multiply the other two. 4 into 5, 20. Whenever you are writing 5, multiply the other. Again, these things I have discussed in the foundation batches. So these things actually saves you time. Acha. Coming from there to total work. Total work you can take from anyone. So this means what? Sir, that means Apurvo can do 15 units of work every day. And to complete the total work in the question, it is given that he is taking 20 days. So every day 15 units in 20 days, whatever he does, that's the total work. So 15 into 20. Now somebody can say, no, sir, I'll go by Kavin. Kavin is doing 10 units every day, takes 30 days to complete. So 10 into 30, that's also 300. Somebody can say, no, I'll go by Nani. So Nani can do 12 units every day, takes 25 days, 25 12s are again say 300. So it doesn't matter whom you are taking, you will always end up getting to the same total work. This one, this is very simple, brother. Again, there is a very simple relation. Very, very, very simple relation, sir. What relation? Sir, total work. Again, we are using that. Total work is what? Again, use common sense. That is your efficiency, meaning whatever in whatever rate you are solving the question, doing the work into sir time, whatever time you have taken. So from there, can I say, sir, if I need time, this will be total work divided by efficiency. That's what I've done. So total work over here, total work was 300 units we figured out. Now efficiency is this. Efficiency meaning whoever will do the work, their efficiency. In this case, I had given you the story that Kavin and Nani are doing the work. So their efficiency will be 10 units Kavin, 12 units Nani. So combined will be 22 units. Clear? Clear? That is how I have done it, sir. That is how I have done it. Please tell me if this is 100% clear or not. Please tell me if whether this is 100% clear, yes or no, sir. Perfect. 100% clear. What's 22? 22 is the efficiency. Adi, for Kavin, it is 10 units. For Nani, it is 12 units. Total is 10 plus 12, 22 units. 10 plus 12, 22 units. Whoever will do the work, their efficiency will be considered. And moving on then, sir. Moving on then. Now, what they can now do, they can give you different stories over here based on this basic. This is the basic, sir. Basic meaning you need to find TR. Again, I'm giving you the algorithm. From there, you need to find ER, efficiency ratio. From there, you need to find total work. Okay. For almost every question, this particular part is constant. You must do that. Now they will give you different stories, and you need to go along with that story. Lakshmi, 300 is, again I've repeated this twice. For like if I take Apurvo is doing 15 units of work every day, into he is taking 20 days. So total work is 15 into 20, efficiency into time. Right? Again, just a quick thing, brothers and sisters. If your basics are not clear, then it will be a little trouble. I will, in that case, very strongly recommend. Again, like I recommended this in the previous batches as well, I'm doing that here as well. So before the class, before you go like come into the crash course class, it's always advisable if you can go through some like this particular topic from the foundation batch. If your foundations are not good, if you have just started your preparation, because that way you will be able to understand this in a much better sense, this class. Correct? So if you are absolute beginner, it is always advisable you start with the foundation, then come here. So again, put that video into X, the foundation video, and just watch the class, the basics at least, the first class at least. Then you come and let's we'll solve questions. That will be a little better approach. Right? Chalo. Acha. Now, coming to this, let's start with a few questions. Let's start with a few questions, sir. Not this, we'll start from. Sir, first you read the question. First couple of questions I'll solve. A can do a piece of work in 2 days. B can do 5 times the same work in 15 days. 5 times in 15 days. So one time of work, can I say that B will do in 3 days? Everyone, can I say this? 5 times in 15 days, one time in 3 days. Meaning, sir, A is to B. So they are completing this in 20, like A is doing it in 2 days, B is doing it in 3 days. But again, they are asking in hours if you read the entire question. But again, they work for 10 hours a day. So in 2 days, A will work for 20 units, B will work for 30 hours. Sorry, units, nahi, hours. So this is their time ratio, sir. Time ratio, I can cancel and say this ratio is 2:3. So efficiency ratio will be what's the opposite, because if there are two persons, efficiency ratio I can directly say this to be 3:2. This is ER. Now what they are doing? Now they are asking total work. I need to find, I told you, TR, then ER, then total work. Total work will be what, sir? A can do 3 units every day into, he takes 2 days to complete. Or if you want to go by hours, he takes 20 hours to complete. So total work is 3 into 20, 60 units I'm taking. Now somebody will say, no sir, I'll go by B. You go, that's also okay. 2 units every hour into 30 hours. 2 into 30, that's also 60. It will never change, sir. Clear? Now, if they work together, in how many hours in addition to a day's work they will require to complete? Achha, sir. Sir, let's figure out, if they work together, how many hours will they take? Sir, they will take, sir, total work is 60 units, 5. Both of them are working, meaning their combined efficiency 3 plus 2, sir, which is equal to 12 hours. Tell me everyone, sir, how many hours addition to one day's work they are taking? Because every day they work for 10 hours. So how many hours extra? Sir, 2 hours extra, which is option number 1. Sir. Which is option number 1, Apurvo, Vaishru, right? Your name. Both of you are 100% correct. Is this clear, everyone? 100% clear, sir. Anybody having doubts, please feel free to ask. Naresh, yes, absolutely correct, brother. Clear, everybody? Vaishnavi, sorry, you see, I completely, I'm very bad with names. I told you, na. I'm very, very bad with names. So you told me this earlier as well. But again, I couldn't remember. Right? Sir, is there any shorter way of solving this? Yes, sir, there is. Chalo, let's discuss that out. So this is your method 1. This you must understand, whether I give you shortcuts or not. But again, definitely I'll give you shortcuts as well. So A can do it in 20 hours, B can do it in 30 hours. So they combined will always do it in 20 into 30 by 20 plus 30 hours. Remember this. So if they do it in X hours and Y hours, the formula says they will combinedly do it at XY by X plus Y hours. So if you calculate this, this is 50, sir. This is 0 gone, sir. 5 4s are gone. So 4 3s are 12 hours. Can you see? We just got that direct answer directly. So how many hours extra? 2 hours extra. So please keep this in mind. But again, please understand, then you might have this question, sir, why in the world did you not say this like upfront? Please understand, this particular thing only works. This only works, everyone, if there are 2 persons. The moment there are more than 2 persons, this particular thing doesn't work, sir. This particular thing does not. Clear, everybody? Clear, everyone, sir? 100% clear? Chalo then, let's start. Let's move on. Sir, next question, please. Let's do this. Mohit can complete 2/3 in 24 days. So Mohit's time will be how much, sir, everyone? Mohit is there and so only Mohit is there. Okay. This is a very simple question. Mohit Total work he can complete. Can I say 24 into 3 by 2 days? 2/3 in this many days. So again, the total will be 1 unit will be by 2 by 3, meaning into 3 by 2, which will be 36 days. Now they are asking 1/9 of the work. Sir, can I say 1/9 of the work will take 1/9 of the time as well? If I need to do 1/9, I'll take the 1/9 time as well. So 1/9 of the work will take 1/9 of the time. So it will take 4 days for him to complete. Sir, option number 2. Again, a very simple question. Just because this was asked in very recent CGL, that's why I've given it. Let's move on, sir. Sir, let's see. Next one. Varun and Raju working together. Meaning, sir, Varun plus Raju, they are working together. They can complete in 40 hours. And Varun alone can complete this in 50 hours. Sir, first you do what? Time ratio, sir, which is 4:5. Everyone, can I say this? This is time ratio. So efficiency ratio will be opposite, 5:4, sir. So this is ER. You see, I got answers as well. Very good, everyone. Now please understand, that means, think, Varun plus Raju, they are completing 5 units of work every day, and out of that, Varun can complete 4 units by himself. So can anyone tell me what is the efficiency of Raju, sir? What is the efficiency of Raju, sir? Can I simply say, Acha, Raju is doing 1 unit of work every day, sir? Because that way only we will get 5 here. Now they are asking the number of hours required. So for that, I'll need total work, sir. Total work, I told you that's common for every question. So let's take Varun plus Raju. Their efficiency is 5 units into, sir, they are taking 40 hours to complete. So total work is 5 into 40, 200 units, sir. Now, what is your time taken, sir? For Raju to complete the job alone. So it will be total work by efficiency. Whose efficiency, sir? Raju is doing, meaning I'll take only Raju's efficiency, which is 1. So 200 by 1 is already 200 days. So I don't think 200 days, it will be hours. My mistake. So option number 1, 200 hours is your correct answer. Option number 1, 200 hours is most definitely your correct answer. Is this clear, everyone? Is this clear? Everybody. Clear hai, sir? Tell me, everyone. Is this 100% clear? You have any doubts? Again, feel free to ask. You have any doubts? Feel free to ask. Explain again, Nani. Chalo, once more. Varun plus Raju can do it in 40 hours. Varun can do it in 50 hours. Time ratio I figured as 4:5. Efficiency ratio will be then 5:4, the opposite. So again, that means Varun is doing 4 units a day. Varun plus Raju, they are doing 5 units a day. That means Raju is doing, out of those 5 units, 4 units Varun is doing. So Raju is actually doing 1 unit a day. That's his efficiency. Figure out total work, 5 into 40, or you can do 4 into 50 as well. So total work 200 units. Sir, how much time will Raju take? So total work 200 by Raju's efficiency, because Raju's time I want to find. So that is 1, meaning 200 hours. Simple as that. You see, every question, the advantage of solving it like this, or understanding the concept like this, is every question you can solve the same way. Now, question. Sir, is there any other shortcuts here? The answer is yes, sir. Shortcut behind. This is method number 1. This is method number 2. If 2 persons time is given and 1 person's time is given, the other person's time will be xy by x minus y. So last time it was x plus y, it is now x minus y. Meaning, sir, 40 into 50 by 50 minus 40. Bigger minus smaller always. So you do that, you will get 200 hours as the answer. You will say, "Arey, ye to ek line mein ho gaya." But again, these formulas are limited to only 2 persons. The moment they will give you 3 persons, you cannot solve it. You cannot solve it if they are using this. If there are 3 persons involved, or more than 3 persons. Again, very recent question, last to last year they asked this. Next one, please, sir. Sir, this is a very interesting and important type, everyone. And this is one of the easier types, sir. Easier types, sir. Sir, if why it is easier? Because you see, ER has been given to you straight away. And you see, efficiency ratio, the efficiencies are in the ratio of this. So I don't need to do TR, then ER, and like so on. So I can directly find total work from here. I'm taking A can do 5 units every day, B can do 6 units every day, C can do 8 units every day. So if they work together, they will be able to complete 5 plus 6 plus 8 units every day, because all three are working together. Like that, working together, they are taking how many hours to complete? 120. So total work, can I say, into 120 units? Every hour they are doing this much into this many hours. Efficiency into time. So if you calculate, sir, 5, 6, 11, this is 19 into 120. Don't multiply. Like, doesn't matter how good you are in calculations. We will do the calculations last. Class got stuck. No, ये तो नहीं हुआ. Class got stuck for anyone? At least my second screen is running absolutely fine. Again, you see, like, I am not in my usual studio as the older students know. I have to travel. I had to travel to Bangalore, till this week. Okay, so like I'll be back next week. Next week onwards, your classes will again be in the usual place. So very less chance of getting delayed or cancelled or anything. So this is a makeshift setup. Acha. Sir, in how many hours they're asking? B will be alone, like B alone will be able to complete 40%. Sir, 40% of the work, meaning 2/5 of this total work is this. Now, who will complete this total work, sir? B. What is the efficiency of B, sir? B is efficiency 6. So that is how you do it. Chalo, let's do. Sir, 620s are this. 5 4s are this. Correct? So 19 8s are 152. So these many units is your correct answer. Option number 2. Option number 2. Again, is this getting clearer and clearer? Is the chapter getting clearer and clearer, sir? Everybody, please tell me. The chapter is getting clear, everyone? Again, the more we solve, the better we get at this actually. The more we solve, the better we actually get at this. Clear, everyone? Chalo, next one, please. Next one, please, sir. Sir, CGL 2019. A can finish 1/3 of the work in 5 days. Acha, meaning, sir, A's time will be what? Sir, 1/3 in 5 days, meaning total is 5 into 3, 15 days, sir. Which is 15. Now, B can do 2/5 in 10 days. So, total will be, sir, 10 into 5 by 2, sir, which is 25. Which is 25 days. And C can do 75% in 15 days. So meaning, sir, 75% meaning, sir, 3/4. So total work will be 15 into 4 by 3, sir. So again, it will be 5 4s are 20. So this is your time ratio. But again, I can cancel it by 5. 5 3s are this, 5 5s are this, 5 4s are this. Again. So this was the trick here. He said they have not given you the time directly. They wanted you to do a little bit of calculation. Again, they like next is like same. Sir, total efficiency ratio, let's figure out. Sir, instead of 3, I'll multiply the other two. 5 4s are 20. Instead of 5, I'll multiply the other two. 4 3s are 12. Instead of 4, I'll multiply the other two. That is 5 3s are 15. Sir, this is what, sir? This is efficiency ratio. So total work, let's calculate by A. So total work, sir, A can do 20 units every day into he is taking 15 days to complete. So total work is 300 units. Perfect. Now there is a story. They work together for 6 days. So during those 6 days, they will complete a certain portion. How much? Sir, if they work together every day, they can complete 20, 15, 35 plus 12, 47 units. If all three of them work together. And they have worked for 6 days, sir. So they have already completed how much? So 6 into 4 or 6 into 5, 300, and 3 6 are 18. 18 less than 300. 18 less than 300 meaning 282 units. So 18 units are remaining. 18 units are remaining, sir. Now, who will complete this remaining units? Remaining work will be finished by B in how much time? So, these 18 units will be now done by B, whose efficiency is at 12 units a day. So, how many days they will take? 1.5 days. Sir, option number 4 is your correct answer. So, the remaining work B will complete in 1.5 remaining days. Is this clear, everyone? Is this 100% clear? Anybody having doubts, please again feel free to ask. Feel absolutely free to ask if this is 100% clear. Clear, everyone? Absolutely clear. Again, take your time and then answer. Shivam is a Bengali as well. What? Shivam bhi Bengali hai kya? Shivam, you are also a Bengali brother? Okay, perfect. Acha. Perfect, everyone. Till this much. So, let us continue then. Oh, yeah. Okay, perfect. Again, from my neighboring state. Sir, selection phase, one question. Acha, I'm now giving you a couple of questions to solve. Now I'm giving you a couple of questions to solve. I have solved the first 5, 6 questions. Please try to solve this. Please try to solve this. Very quick. Acha, just a quick question. Do you guys have a class from 1 p.m.? Do you guys have a class today at 1 p.m.? रुको ना मैं ही check कर लेता हूँ. Yeah, you have. So I'll just take 5 minutes out of that. Okay. I'll just ask for 5 minutes to sir. Sir, I was in a mishap, so just allow me 5 minutes. ठीक है 105 तक I'll leave you guys by 105 100%. चलो everyone 37.5% stands for 3 by 8. That's your smart calculation. 37.5% stands for 3 by 8. That is your smarter calculation. Again, please start solving. Start solving. Chalo. Very quickly. I need answers within 30-40 seconds. Say P can do 1/4 at this. P can do 1/4 in 18 days. So total will be 18 into 4, that is 72 days, sir. Now she completed 37.5%, meaning 3/8 of the work and left it. So remaining will be what, sir? Sir, 5/8 will be remaining, everyone. 5/8 will be remaining. Achha, just say the achha. You can complete the remaining work in this. Achha, sir, everyone, I'm assuming P's efficiency to be 1 unit every day to simplify my calculation. So meaning, sir, total work will be what? 1 unit every day for 72 days. So total work is 72 units. Sir, out of that, remaining work is how much, everyone? Sir, P has done 3/8 of it. So remaining 5 by 8 parts is remaining. So 5 by 8 of 72, this is remaining, sir. So this is 9, 5 9s are 45 units. This 45 units, Q needs to complete. And he is completing it in 40 days. So Q's efficiency, can I say? 45 units in 40 days, meaning this is the efficiency. So 5 9 by 5 8s. So this many units every day. 9 by 8 units every day. Now they are asking, working together, they will complete 17 by 48 parts of the total work. So 17 by 48 parts of the total work is total work 72. Now who will complete this? Working together, meaning both P and Q are working. So P is efficiency 1, Q is efficiency 9 by 8. So this is your answer. Now I need to do a little calculation. You guys can see, na? Chalo. Sir, this is 8. 6 8s are this, 8 9s are this, 3 2s are this, 3 3s are this. And so this is 17 into 3 divided by 2. Don't multiply it. This is 8. 8 plus 9s are 17. 17, 17 gone, 2, 4 gone. This 4 will go up. So 4 3s are 12 days. That's your correct answer, which is again in option number 3. Which is again in option number 3. Acha. This is a selection phase question. Very, very PYQ from phase 9. This year it will be phase 14. So again, around 5 years back. But a good one. Clear, everyone? Chalo, let's move on then. Sir. Chalo, CGL, again, it might seem like mains question. Don't think about anything. He said mains is very difficult or this or that. Krishama, again, what I did, I did this to simplify, to streamline my calculations, brother. You see, you can take 2 units, 3 units, 5 units, 10 units, whatever you want. But why I took 8 units, like 1 unit now, brother? Please understand, I could see this is 8. And if I take 72, meaning 1, so 72 days into 1 unit every day, meaning 72 units, I can see 72 itself is divisible by 8. That's why I didn't take any chances. I took 1 only. That's why I took 1 only. Right? So again, because I had to calculate, like I had to make my calculations a little easier. That's all. That's all. Clear? Chalo. You see, everything, please understand, everyone, I'm telling this, everything that we do, we only have one thing in mind. Or rather, if you want to like pick like kind of pinpoint 2 things rather. So one is how to make the concept of the question easier. Second is how to make the solution of the question shorter. Meaning we should take less amount of time to complete the question. That's our only agendas. Right? Because at the end of the day, you must solve the question as quickly as possible, right? And we are also here trying to do that only. Please do this, everyone. Suresh has given me the first answer saying option 4, 2. Chalo, very good. Very, very good, sir. Anybody else? A can do 40%. Sir, 40% meaning 2 by 5 in 12 days. So total work will be 12, meaning A will complete this in total time will be 12 into 5 by 2 days, the opposite. So which is 30 units or 30 days rather. B can do 60%, meaning 3/5 in 15 days. So B will do it in 15 into 5 by 3 days. So again, this comes out to be 25 days. Sir. C complete the remaining work in whatever many days, I don't know, in 4 days. But again, C's efficiency is a little like tricky to figure out. So what I'll do? I'll not take C for the time being. Sir, efficiency ratio is 5 6 are this, 5 5s are this. Right? So, sorry, this is my mistake, not efficiency ratio. This is time ratio. So, efficiency ratio will be, sir, the opposite, which will be 5:6, everyone. This is 5:6. Now, sir, total work also let's figure out. I'm using A to figure it out. A can do 5 units every day into takes 30 days to complete. So that means 150 units is your correct answer, like correct total work. Now what's happening? Now they are both works for 10 days. So both works for 10 days. So they will complete how much in those 10 days, sir? In those 10 days, how much work will kind of A and B complete? Sir, their combined efficiency will be 5 units for A, 6 for B, meaning total 11 units for 10 days. So 110 units are done. Remaining will be 40 units. 40 units are remaining, right? Out of 150, 40 units remaining. Now, this 40 units will be done by whom? C completes the remaining 40 units in 4 days. So, I'll get the efficiency of C, which is 40 by 4, which is 10 units every day, sir. A, B, and C. Now they are asking, will complete the total work, not total work, 28% of the total work. 28% of the total work meaning 28 by 100 into 150. 150 is the total work. Who will do it, sir? All three together. All three together, 5 plus 6, 11 plus 10, 21 is the. Acha, I think you cannot see the entire thing because I'm out of space. Acha, I'm just turning off my camera so that you guys can see the thing. Okay? Just for one moment. So again, just calculate 7 threes are this, 7 fours are this, 4 25s are this, 25 6 are this. So it will be 6 days. It will be 6 days. But why are you getting 2 days as answer? 6 days is not there in the answer. Ek second. Have I made any mistakes? Have I made any mistakes? Acha, sorry, array, 6 by 3 was there. No, array, my mistake, my mistake. This by 3 I have forgotten. Array. 2 days is the correct answer, 100%. Yeah, I completely overlooked the denominator. That 3 was there. My mistake, every clear? Chalo, let's do the next one, please. Let's do the next one. Again, very similar question, but just the last bit is changing a little over here. Please try, everyone. You guys, please give it a try, sir. You guys, everybody, please give it a try, sir. Sir, how did we reach the value of 21? Yeah, Vidal. Yes, brother. Sir, at the end of the day, all three, A, B, C, all three together, they are working. So A is efficiency 5, B is efficiency 6, 5 plus 6, 11, and C's efficiency was 10, brother. So 5 plus 6 plus 10, that is your 21. That's your combined efficiency for all three together. Clear, everyone? Clear? Clear 100%? Let's move on. Let's move on. Chalo, do this, please. Again, now I need, again, please understand, everybody, you need, once your like the concept is streamlined, now what you need to achieve is speed. So 20% 4 days, so that means 1/5 in 4 days, total is 20 days. Again, you see, I'm trying to skip steps. So this is 1/3. 1/3 in 10 days, total in 30 days. Acha, they work, acha, C, again, I don't know, C I'll not take. So 5 fours are this, 5 6 are, acha, rather 10 se karte, kya main kar raha hu? Sir, 10 twos are this, 10 threes are this. This is your time ratio, sir. So ER will be what, sir? Efficiency ratio will be 3:2, sir. Total work will be how much from here? Sir, A can do 3 units every day, into takes 20 days. So total is 60 units. Total 60 units, sir. Now there's the story begins. They work together for 9 days. Acha. Work together meaning A and B. You see, till now C has not been introduced. So during those 9 days, they will complete how much? Every day, if they work together, they will complete 2 units plus 3 units. That means 5 units. So 45 units are done, sir. So out of 60, 45 done, meaning, sir, how much remaining? 15 units remaining. C can complete this 15 units in 6 days. So C's efficiency will get from here. 3 twos, 3 fives. 5 by 2 units a day. Now they are asking B and C together can complete 3/4 of the work, 75% meaning 3/4. So 3/4 of the total work is 3/4 into 60. Who will do it, sir? B plus C. B's efficiency is 3 units. C's efficiency is 5 by 2, or you can write 2.5 units as well. Right? So it will be 3 plus 2.5, which is 5.5. Let's calculate this. Here 11 aa raha hai, sir. This is coming out to be 11. One second. They work together for 9 days. Efficiency, अरे देखा मैं पागल हूँ. Efficiency of B is 2 ना. Sorry, I have taken A. So 2 plus 2.5 is 4.5. Now it makes sense. it is into 10, 15 fours, 15 threes. 4, 4 gone, 3, 3 gone, this 10 is remaining. This 10 is remaining only, sir. That is option number 3. That is option number 3. Okay, perfect. Everybody, clear this. Everybody, clear, sir. Simple. Yeah, Apurva, I missed it actually. I missed it actually. Perfect. Again, you see, it's all about the story. Again, this is a very simple question. Ratio of efficiency of X and Y is this. X and Y can complete the same work in 70 days. X alone started the work and left. Now, this is a new concept or new type of story. Again, concept, nothing is new. Whatever concept we required, we already have done this. Suresh, very good, brother. Very good. That is what is required, brother. Right? Acha. To do a certain work, efficiency of X and Y is given. So I told you, whenever efficiency ratio is given, that's always easier to do. Because I can calculate the total work directly. Both working together can complete this in 70 days. So total is 70 into 5 plus 7 is 12. Right? So meaning 840 units. Clear? Now X alone started the work and left after 42 days. Meaning, read between the lines. Can I say that means X has worked for the first 42 days? X has left after 42 days, meaning for the first 42 days, X has worked. Right, sir? So, if X has worked for the first 42 days, how much work will X do? X can do 5 units every day. Sir, into 48. Sorry, 42, sir. So, which will be 210 units. So, out of 840, 210 gone. So, remaining will be 630 units. Now, who will now do this 630 units? Y. They are asking how much time will he take. So 630 divided by efficiency of Y is 7. So 7 if you do, you are getting 90 days as the correct answer, which is option number 1. Which is option number 100%. That is your correct answer. Very simple here. Once again. Is this getting clear, everyone? Is this getting 100% clear, sir? Anyone here having any doubts whatsoever? No problem. Acha, it's one already. I'll take just one more question. Okay? I'll take one more question, then I'll leave you guys to it. Sir, last question. A and B can finish a work in 10 days and 5 days respectively. They work together for 2 days. After that, B was replaced by C. And this, whatever they have given it. Sir, first things first. Time ratio, can I say? So 10 days and 5 days meaning 2:1. So efficiency ratio directly I am writing as 1:2. So opposite. Again, try to now do it faster. Total work, sir. If I take A can do 1 unit a day and takes 10 days to complete, total work will be 10 units. Now, they work together for 2 days, then B was replaced. Sir, first 2 days they work together. How much work will be done, sir? Sir, if they work together every day 1 and 2, meaning total 3 units is getting done. They worked for 2 days, meaning 6 units are done, sir, out of 10. So remaining will be what? Remaining will be 4 units. Right? Now these 4 units, B was replaced by C and total 3 days when it was completed. So meaning these 4 units, can anyone tell me who did these 3 units? Who did these 4 units? Who did these 4 units, everyone? That is my question. I don't want answers. I'm just asking this simple question. Who did these last 4 units in 3 days? Tell me. Who did it? A, B, C, AB, BC, AC, whatever. Who did it? Sir, A and C, Pawan and Adi, they are absolutely correct because sir, B was replaced, but A was not. So A's efficiency of 1 unit is there plus. Acha, sir. I don't know C's efficiency. I'm taking X. That is taking 3 days. So 1 plus x will be 4 by 3. So x is 1 by 3. Again, you can do it like this or you can do normally as well. He said 4 units is getting completed in 3 days. So every day 4 by 3 minus 1 is efficiency of C. This is efficiency of C. They are asking how long C will finish. 50%, meaning half the job. Half of total job is 10 units. And C's efficiency is 1 by 3. So this is 5. This 3 will go up. My answer will be 15 days. My answer will most likely be 15 days. 100%. Option number 2. Option number 2, sir. That is your correct answer. Clear, everybody? Clear, everyone, sir? That is how you complete this job. That is how you complete these type of questions of time and work. Again, having said that, time and work is nowhere near over. Just the first hour of time and work is over. It is nowhere near over, sir, if you take a look at the whole question. Yes, questions, again, every question is almost similar level. Shama, Krishama, sorry, you have super elite, brother? You do have super elite. If you have, you will you already have access to those. You don't need to buy anything. But if you don't have it, so if you can upgrade your subscription to super elite, so there you will have the access. Right, foundation course you will find. You see, we did this year total 6 foundation batches. I did from 1.0 to 6.0. I'll advise you to go for 6.0 because that's the latest. Perfect. So with that being said, thank you so much everyone for joining me. I will again see you guys. The older students, I'll see you guys again at 3 p.m. for the advanced maths class, and for the new batch, the advanced maths class starts from tomorrow. So again, you will I'll see you guys then. And tomorrow at 12 o'clock as well, we'll have another class, like the part 2 of this. Nitesh, just ask the support team, na? If you have just purchased your course within 7-10 days, they will upgrade you without you need to pay the full amount. You just need to pay the balance amount. So I guess maybe 400, 500 extra for Super Elite. You just need to pay that 400 rupees and they will upgrade. So just get in touch with the support team. They will help you with that. And I'm saying this to everyone. I'm just giving away the information. Right? Hello, everyone. So, with that being said, thank you so much. Just a quick thing. With Super Elite, you will get a lot more as well. I'm running a batch on speed improvement, meaning, sir, we are doing this particular question in a different way with using options and stuff. So that batch is exclusive to Super Elite. Those batches also you will get access to through the Super Elite, right? Along with the mocks and stuff. Chalo. Thank you everyone. Just one request I have from you guys. If you have loved this class, please do rate the class before you go. If you are kind of joining from a desktop or a laptop, you'll have a thumbs up sign to the right of your screen. And if you're joining from a mobile device, you'll have 3 stars to the top right of the screen. You can definitely give your rating there. And also if you want to share a feedback, good or bad, please feel free to share it. Right? So thank you so much everyone. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next class, I guess tomorrow. And for the older students, I'll see you guys again at 3 p.m. One more thing before I go, the 5 p.m. on YouTube, I will take the live mock analysis. I'm expecting everybody of you have given the live mock, so I'll analyze that in at 5 o'clock on YouTube. Hardly an half an hour class. We'll do that within half an hour. We will see how to solve. Again, that will not be an explanatory class for those who don't know. So we will solve the questions as fast as possible in the exam mode. So 15 questions with explanation I should take within 30 minutes. So you can solve that in 15 minutes because that's the time you have this year. So that is what we'll learn in that class. Right? I'll see you guys then at 5 o'clock. That class is, I'll send the link over to the Telegram as well before the start. So thank you everyone. Take care and I'll see you guys in the next class. Till then, bye-bye and do rate the class. That's a request to everyone. Thank you so much. Telegram link, Nani. Telegram, you just need to scan this. I'll upload the notes. You'll find the notes there, like the scanner there as well. But again, you just need to scan this. That's how it is. Right? Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.